This is Steve with Greeley Subaru in Greeley, Colorado, and we are going to take a minute to show you how to set the clock in your Forester. So we're going to take a minute now to show you how to set the clock on your Forester. The first thing you're going to do is locate the Enter button. We're going to click it down through the various program pages until we get to where it says press and hold this button to access the settings screen. Press and hold steadily, and it will come up to time and date up at the top. Now press it 2 times, once, twice, to open that up. Press to change the month, whatever that might be. Press to change the date, whatever that might be, if it needs to be set, and for the current year. We're going to come to a 24-hour clock. We may choose a 24-hour clock, or we may choose a 12-hour by simply clicking down and opening that up. And here we may set then to whatever the current time might be. Down click to set and press the button in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to march back down through these various categories to go back, tap the set button, go back, tap the set button, and push it down. We have it set.